You guys probably have seen all of these different tutorials by people like Milan, Jordan, Max, Jade, basically showing you guys how to design emails with AI. I love these guys. The videos are stunning, but there's one problem. They take too damn long, and the output is basically either Canva quality or still kind of subpar to agency. And the whole point of AI is supposed to save you time, create results that you can actually use. So in this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to actually use AI to do your email marketing and only need to spend like 20 minutes a week on it. Now, just to preface this video, this is not for big brands, right? If you're a brand that is already high scale, it's definitely worth outsourcing emails or hiring someone in-house. Even a 5 to 10% difference for you guys is gonna mean 50, 100, several $100,000 a month in additional revenue. But if you're a brand that's like pretty small, let's say under 80 to 100K a month, this system is gonna smoke any freelancers or agencies that you can actually afford to work with. So let's dive into it. So basically, there's this tool called DataMails, and it basically uses Nano Banana Pro to help you generate emails, and it also builds them for you guys in Klaviyo and helps you schedule them. Same with building flows, pop-ups, literally the whole shebang, right? So basically, you just want to go ahead and make an account, and you're going to be able to onboard your first brand. So for this video, I think I'll test it with IM8, for example, because that's obviously a really famous brand at the moment. So by the way, they also give you, I think the first 7 emails for free or something. I'm also an investor, transparently, but genuinely the tool is pretty good. So essentially, once you add your brand name, website, the only thing is you'll need to connect your Klaviyo API key. So you literally want to go inside of your Klaviyo account, go into settings, and then from settings, click API key, create private API key. So I'm just going to call this DataMails IM8 demo, and then give it a full access key because it needs to be able to build and just like upload stuff into your Klaviyo account. So essentially, yeah, you just want to paste in your private key, boom, and then it's going to take a few minutes to essentially get onboarded with the platform, because what it's going to do is it's going to start scraping on Reddit, it's going to start scraping Amazon reviews, doing market research into, for example, your just like product category in general in terms of the different pain points. It's also going to scrape all of the images and creatives from your website and the product pages, and essentially just build a brand design profile. So it's going to automatically detect logos, colors, and it's even going to find you the creatives, by the way, that are not publicly available on your website. It's literally like that complete. Once this is done, it's going to take a little while depending on how many products you guys have, but you only need to do it once. That actually only took like 3 minutes. All right, so now comes the fun part. So essentially, I'm gonna have my editor throw up a timer in the top right-hand side, and I'm just gonna show you how fast it actually is. So for instance, if I wanna launch a campaign on the 20th, there's a few ways. You can either put in the campaign brief yourself, or you can give it like a vague description and have it generate the brief, or you can just use market insights that it kind of scrapes based on Reddit, your reviews on your website, as well as Amazon, and just like product descriptions in general as well. Let's say I want to go to comprehensive health support, right, as like one of the angles. So if I just click create a campaign, it's automatically going to start populating this campaign. And then in the meantime, I can work on other campaigns, right? So for instance, if I want to do one that's promoting their current welcome offer, so 30% off plus welcome kit. So welcome offer promotion, 30% off plus free welcome kit. All I gotta do is put it in here. And then in terms of products, you can have AI choose it. You can click generate design after adding. So basically it's gonna automatically pick not only the product, but also the actual creatives to use inside. It's really important that you actually do these steps. But if, for instance, if you wanna generate the copy first and then go into design, you can just generate the copy here. So in this instance, I'm just gonna do this. Boom, let AI choose, and you'll see that this campaign is being built as well. Now, while this is getting generated, I'm gonna show you how many more emails you can do in the meantime while this is being created. So you can actually generate an entire content calendar, right? So if you go over here and click generate campaigns, let's say I wanna run a week-long sale promoting 4th of July. You can customize how many emails you want per week, minimum days, etc., and it'll automatically space everything out. And then the prompt would be 4th of July sale, need a pre-launch hype email, launch email and a couple extension emails. Boom. I click begin generation and it's going to populate all of these campaign ideas that is like specific to my needs. Now with this one, you can see it's already starting to work on the design. If I want to intervene in the meantime, by the way, there's a text editor inside built in, so you can like change the copy however you want, etc. And you'll be able to see that it's even picked up the fact that, you know, it's David Beckham stack sachet. So now I'm working on 2 emails in parallel, as well as generating a whole week's worth of content. Now, while this is in design, feel free to, again, go use the bathroom, have a coffee, whatever, come back, right? There's also other stuff that you can do with it. So for instance, if you want to build a flow, for example, right? Because your Klaviyo API key is already connected, let's say I want to do a welcome series, and I'm just going to type in welcome 30% off plus welcome kit. So I'll type in, and then in terms of the code, I'll just do, you know, IM30, right? And then I'm going to click generate, and it's going to start building out this flow right here as well. And once it generates, you know, you can actually go ahead, and I'll show you how to do this. It's basically, you can just click implement inside of Klaviyo, and it's going to send it right into Klaviyo once you're happy with the content. It even asks you for the trigger list. So for instance, this one, I'm just going to put preview list, and it's going to work on that in parallel as well. So you can see why it's like so much faster than an agency, right? And with this email now, you can see now it's in design and it's being worked on right here. And in the top right, you'll be able to see all the notifications. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get my editor to make a time lapse of all of the generations that are happening, and then I'll show you guys exactly how to get them scheduled inside of Klaviyo lightning fast. So now you can see this campaign is done generating, and you'll be able to see that, you know, there's like a few variations for you to choose from and tab through, because obviously with AI, it's not going to be perfect every single time. 90 ingredients. Okay, this looks interesting. And then lastly, like this. Obviously, this email doesn't beat the quality that a proper agency or a proper freelancer can do. But, you know, for 5 minutes of work, it's not too bad. And I know for a fact that if you're a smaller brand, if you just send this, you're going to make money. Like, there's no way that you don't make money. Next to do is you just want to click next, and then you're going to click use generated design. You can edit your default settings as well in terms of what audiences that you want to be sending to, etc. as well. So for instance, by default, I want to have local recipient send time. So if I go to generate design, I'm just going to name it data mails IM8 demo, and then link preferences. So basically, in terms of the links, you can either choose a manual product link, or it's actually just going to take the product link of the product that it's promoting inside of the email. So for instance, I'm just going to put this link in here, and then you can click schedule automatically, or you can edit the kind of like different settings. So if I go to click campaign, it's then going to go ahead and start scheduling based on your default settings, which is basically going to select the different audiences that you can choose as default. And yeah, that's it. There's also a deliverability feature. So you'll be able to see that if it detects that you don't have very good deliverability, then what it's going to do is it's going to customize the segmentation to your taste. So you can see that it's preparing the audiences to apply to this brand, and it's building the campaigns, and now it's kind of like scheduling. Now you can go inside and open campaign in Klaviyo, and you'll be able to see that this email is already scheduled for the 21st of July, 9 a.m. local time. You can make any edits that you want. You can see that it's already picked the 90-day engaged segment for you, and it's literally as easy as that. So yeah, I mean, look, I invested in the platform, so I'm incentivized to shill it a little bit, but give it a shot. I think they include a few free emails, so you can kind of take a look for yourself. And I guarantee if you send them, you're going to make money. So yeah, that's how you use AI to actually save time and actually design emails that are viable.